In almost every household across America, there's one universal drink that we all have come to love or hate, and that is milk. When I drink milk, I feel perfectly fine. I have no problem with it, and I don't know, I like it. But when others drink milk, they don't feel too good. And this is called lactose intolerance. Lactose intolerance affects about 6 in every 10 people around the world. So, lactose intolerant, lactose tolerant. So, what lactose intolerance is when the body is exposed to milk or lactose. The lactase in the body is not able to break it down into the sugars that it is glucose and galactose. So, yeah, no sugars out of this. But in a lactose tolerant person, it is way easier to break down lactose into the glucose and galactose sugars. So, no biggie, bada bing, bada boom. So, that's lactose intolerance and lactose tolerance. Now, what I'm talking about today is the new study that was found, just came out, about how researchers started to do some bigger digging. This is my pathetic attempt at a microscope, and found that, or they're suggesting that the problem isn't with the sugars, it's with the proteins. And so milk has 2 proteins, A1 and A2. Now, what they're saying is that when a person drinks milk with A1 in it, when a person drinks milk with A1 in it, versus a person who drinks milk with A2 in it, the person who drinks milk with A1 doesn't feel too good. But the person who drinks milk with A2 feels perfectly fine, on most. That's what they're saying. And so this seems all fine and dandy until I did some deeper digging, and I found that this is a little sketchy, a little off the charts. So this research was funded by New Zealand A2 Milk Company. Well, why'd that matter? Well, it's by the A2 Milk Company, so this is probably just one big ad to try to get people to buy A2 milk instead of A1 milk, because A2 milk is better or something. So, all seems a little sketchy to me. Alright. My God, I've recorded this too many times.